子の中にもたくさんのですね、生きたウイルスがいて、大きな声での会話、あるいは激しい息遣い、そういった中でですね、このマイクロ飛沫ができて、それが近くの人、その人が吸い込むことによって感染が広がる、そういったリスクが見えてきたものと思います。
The risk of infection through microdroplets becomes even greater in a closed space with poor ventilation. This lab is simulating the movement of microdroplets in an airtight room. About 10 people in an enclosed space the size of a classroom. A person coughs once and spreads about 100,000 droplets. Large droplets are shown in blue and green. Most of these fall to the ground within 1 minute. But the microdroplets, shown in red, continue to drift. This simulation uses only microdroplets. 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, the microdroplets are still floating in place.
空気がよどんでいると、つまり空気の流れがないということで、マイクロ飛沫そのものは、落ちたり、違う場所に動くことができませんので、長時間その場所にとどまるっていうことになります。
But there is a way to prevent this stagnation of microdroplets.
No kidding, sa atin kasi no hype necessary. The products speak for themselves and the experts issue the certificates and the proofs that our products work. And yun kanina pinakita, di ba yung negative ion strip, right? Di ba yung sa sugat, tapos yung malaking part ng katawan sa bata, lumiliit, di ba? Tapos yun din, yung sa tumor nung sa aso, right? My point kasi, if you do your own research, yung negative ions natin may anti-inflammatory properties. Diba? So, anti-inflammatory properties, kaya nawawala yung maga. Number 2, yun din pong ating, nabanggit ni Joy kanina about the antibiotic and all, alam niyo po bang yung negative ions na yan? According to study, September 2019, kakahanap ko lang po kanina, meron po yung antibacterial and guess what? Antiviral properties. So, hindi lang antibacterial, pati virus, meron din siyang antiviral property. Doon sa PubMed na publication, research on your own, ano? Kaya doon po ako magwawakas. Huwag na po kayong magtaka na sa shortage ng face masks dito sa Pilipinas, meron pong gumagamit ng negative ion pantiliner, nilalagay po ginagamit na mask. We're not saying na it's the solution, but there's a reputable journal already na nagsabing may antiviral properties yung negative ions.